Well, let's see what we got. Brand new rooftop. Installed this winter. No cooling. And they did put an economizer on it after the fact. After the fact, they did put an economizer on it, I think, or a fresh air hood. Don't know. Looks like it's running. Whatever, dude. I hate those clips. Not pulling any outside air. Huh. No condensate. Hear a fan, but I don't think I hear any compressors. What phase? What phase are we? I don't think. She's hot. They're hot. She's smoking hot. Huh. Why would they be hot? Because they're running backwards, that's why. Those are single phase. Let me guess, this is 3-phase. It is. So they are, I think they're off on internal overload because they never did a startup on it. Because the polarity is reversed. They're not, they're out of phase. They're out of phase. Oh, they're gonna be out of phase. Oh, or they're not wired right. Because on these stupid carriers, you'd think the power goes there, but I don't think it does. I think the power, I gotta look and see. I don't think the power is supposed to go there. I don't think this one's supposed to go there. Or maybe I'm wrong. What do they have going on here? See, it is not. I don't think it's wired right. Maybe. That goes to the bottom of the contactor. This jumps over here to that, which supplies that. This blue one honestly, I think I'm out of phase. No, it looks wired right. I bet these are off on internal overload. Let's see. No, make some noise. Yep. Hopefully we didn't damage any compressors. Yeah, they're off on internal. They're off on internal. Well. What do I got? I got a black and a red. Let's see what kind of voltage I got on this thing. See what kind of 3-phase I have. Let's see what kind of 3-phase I have. She's standard 3-phase stuff. Probably gonna have to come back here tomorrow and do a startup on it. That's what it's looking like. We gotta swap 2 wires, but we gotta get some gauges on it and then go from there, because these things are hot. Oh man, they went from a Honeywell to that thing. Used to be a Honeywell controller. Yeah, it looks self-explanatory, not too bad. Let's see, Y1, does my wiring match? I'm pretty sure it does. Y2 is yellow, and that's what it is. That's what it is, red. That's good.